Hello, and this is the Stockpreacher from Stockpreacher.com with another explosive stock analysis. Today we're looking at WAVX, Wave Systems Corp. for March 5th, 2010. This is a daily chart for about 3 months in length, and right away we can see that we're kind of generally in an uptrend. We kind of hit some high points on some volume and retraced. Again, some nice volume came in and then we retraced. I'm just going to draw some downtrend resistance lines here on each of the spikes. And this one's going to be a little difficult, but we just kind of have some general consolidation. So as you can see, we also have a general trend rising support line. I'm going to connect all our low points, and as you can see, the MACD line is looking generally healthy. We're crossing up. Even with the MACD crossing down, we are in an overall uptrend, which is looking quite healthy here. We've had some 3 days of explosive rallies here, kind of 3 days, 3 days, 3 days. RSI kind of gets in an overbought position, and we have a sell-off to retrace back to the rising support line, which we did basically, well, the first time we didn't really hear, but here we did, and we maintained along it, and again we've bounced off our rising trend support. So kind of have a little bit of consolidation after each kind of breakout back to the support line. So things are looking healthy, and volume needs to probably maintain. We may see some low volume for a little while. If that happens, as long as we stay above our rising support line, we can probably see some higher prices. Look at the 20-day moving average. We kind of found some support here on the 20-day moving average. So if we do break below, we've got the 20-day moving average at 299, the 50-day at 235, and the 100-day and the 200-day moving averages could act as a support. We've got some price support here just above the $2 line. You can see we've got a lot of support there, and we also have some around $3. Old high was 298, and we hit a low of 312, so look for some support here as well. We've got some resistance here. This is kind of a spike signal. When you see a spike, it generally suggests the reverse of a trend, and as you can see, that's exactly what happened. We kind of lost our rally momentum, came back down to the rising support line, where we've confirmed it, and now we're starting to lift. So we should see continued higher prices in the future. If we do break below, again, I mentioned look for the price supports or the moving average supports on the way down. On the way up, our high point here of 475 is going to be a resistance, and we also have some resistance just below $4 right here as well. At 380, you can see it's been price resistance for at least 3 trading days. This is the Stockpreacher, so make sure you never miss a hot stock before it moves. Join my free newsletter at stockpreacher.com to get daily email alerts on the biggest movers in the market. I don't hold any positions in any stocks mentioned in this video, and stockpreacher.com has not been compensated for this video.